Hi, this is a demo video from UK TV Router on how to connect up your Sky Plus HD Digibox wirelessly to the UK TV Router. Okay, there's two types of connector, so it depends on the model of your Digibox which one you need. All of that is clearly explained on our website. This is an older Digibox here, so it needs this router, this connector. So we'll get this chap out. It comes with the wireless on-demand connector, mains supply, mains power supply, and a connecting lead. Okay, get the box out of the way. We'll take our Digibox out. The first thing we're going to do on the back of the Digibox is remove the power lead. Okay, so we've got no power there. We'll take our green cable. I've got one already unwrapped here. There's a green hole on the back of the Digibox, which is where we connect that cable. The other end is going to go in the green part on the back of this. So we'll unwrap him. And we have a green socket on the back of there as well. Pop that in there. I have a power lead which I've already plugged in at the back there. So we'll put the power lead in there, blue to blue, and set that there. We can now put the power lead back in our Sky Digibox. Put everything back in its place. We've got a red light on our Sky Digibox, and we're going to have to leave it like that for about 5 minutes is best now before we switch it back on. Okay, so we'll be back shortly. Okay, we're back. We've waited our 5 minutes. We've switched on our Sky Box, and the first screen we get is asking us to connect to the internet. So we're going to press select. And the wireless connector is now searching for available networks, and it's found various. So what we're going to do is go to the UK TV Router, which is the one we're interested in connecting to. So we've pressed down to highlight that in yellow. Now we shall press select. It's asking us for the password. The password on this one is actually our phone number, which is 9 6 2 8 0 0 8 0 7. And then we're going to press select to continue, and it's now connecting to the wireless network. So we'll just give it a second or two to do that. Okay, that's it. It comes up now. For your information, your box is now connected to the broadband router, which in this case is our UK TV router. So the box thinks it's in the UK. It offers us press red to go to on demand. So we'll press the red button. And the fact that we've got all these nice little pictures here lets us know that it's working. So let's go quickly to catch up TV.